So here we are, May the 31st, 2013. Actually, I think it's May 30th. And I am giving you a little glimpse of cicadas in my yard. They're very, very noisy. And you can see many of the dead ones, the exoskeletons. There's a couple of live ones crawling up the tree. They might be going after each other. There's the cat that's getting very fat with eating lots of cicadas. There's the field in the back of my house. And there's a tree. Can't really see that with my shadow. There's a couple more. So we'll just back up a little bit and let you listen. And they're flying everywhere, as you can see. There's a couple birds still talking out there. It's either cicadas or stink bugs. There's another one right there. We'll get you a good glimpse. And they're just flying everywhere. See if we can see a couple on the Awanimus here. There's one. There's the other field. And they're just everywhere. And there's my house. And there's a butterfly. Well, that's kind of a nice sight. Tasting a little bit of the rose bushes. Let's see if we see any on this rose bush here. No, don't think they like the rose bushes. So there you have it. There's my yard, and there's my cicadas. And they will be gone soon.